In this video, I want to talk about a digital marketing plan to grow your business in 2022. Precisely, I want to share with you 5 easy steps that I personally follow and I teach my clients as well. Creating a successful digital marketing plan is not difficult, even if there are tons of variables you can test. But the key is to make things simple without overthinking too much. Let me explain what I mean by watching this video till the end. In addition, after sharing these 5 steps, I have 2 crucial bonus tips for you. I reveal them at the end of this video. So, let's start this process together. My name is Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur. It means selling your expertise or someone else's knowledge to help people solve their problems. On YouTube, I share my 12-year knowledge and experience, helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Step number 1. Your target audience. Defining your target audience, who you want to serve, is essential for creating a business. You have probably heard about it multiple times, and believe me that determining your avatar is crucial. Defining your ideal client is always the starting point for creating and even growing a successful business, no matter if you sell digital or physical products. For instance, you absolutely have to know the answers to these questions. Question number 1. Which type of potential customer do you want to attract? Describe him/her in detail. Question number 2. Who is your ideal client? Define it with specificity. You need to know all this information. Man or woman? Let's suppose your ideal client is a woman. Then, how old is she? Is she married? Does she have children? What's her profession? What is her annual income? What does she do on the weekends? How is her look? Does she like reading? Question number 3. What does your ideal customer want from a practical point of view? What does she want to accomplish? What is she looking for? Question number 4. What does your ideal client want from an emotional point of view? What would her life be like if she found what she was searching for? Keep in mind that we are selling emotions. So, for every product or service you want to sell, think about the specific emotions related to that product. There are other crucial questions to answer, and I highly recommend watching a video I published months ago on my YouTube channel. How to write sales letters that sell. The ideal client. Indeed, defining your ideal client is essential to create the right communication to attract their attention and persuade them to buy anything you want. Don't skip this process. It's crucial for your entire marketing plan. I put the link to this video in the description below. Step number 2. Brand positioning. First of all, what is brand positioning? We can define brand positioning as marketing messages able to educate your target audience on why you are different from others in your industry and the promises you decide to deliver. Thanks to brand positioning, your company or your personal brand has a specific position in your customer's mind where buyers' decisions take place. Brand positioning helps you win this marketing battle on the client's minds. Secondly, you have to know that brand positioning guides all your marketing efforts. Even today, in 2022, I can assure you that many companies and small business owners don't know how to create the correct brand positioning. This is why in 2022 you still have a competitive advantage. Thanks to brand positioning, you don't have to compete for the prices of your products and services. Apple continues to raise smartphone prices even without any significant improvement. In addition, clients don't want to risk anything when they buy something. They are more confident to buy anything from a brand they trust, even if the price is higher. With that said, to create an effective brand positioning, no matter what your field of competency is or what your company is selling, you have to follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Identify your competition. Step 2. Find a big idea, why you are different. And step number 3, test the big idea. To understand how to execute these 3 steps properly, I recommend watching this video later on. 3-step strategy to create an effective brand positioning. I put the link to this video in the description below. Step number 3. Design your offer. Once you have defined your target audience and your brand positioning, you should start with the offer, the big idea. The offer must be amazing, something your target audience really wants, and ideally an irrefutable offer. It all depends on your audience, how much value you want to provide, and in which modality. I want to make an example regarding the information business. If you want to create a high-ticket offer, you should consider mixing a digital product to educate and teach your ideal clients the basics, the most important things they need to know to get the desired results. The best part is adding a service. I mean, say, human beings capable of helping your clients directly, one-to-one. Nowadays, I firmly believe that people are a little tired of buying online video courses and doing all the work alone. They want someone to help them overcome obstacles, and even better, they want an all-inclusive service done for you. Business loves speed. With that said, let me share with you the 4 variables to consider if you want to create an amazing offer. This is the value equation created by the amazing Alex Hormozi, a talented man who is a genius in explaining and simplifying concepts. As you can see from the picture, there are 4 primary drivers of value. 2 of the drivers on the top that you should increase, the other 2 on the bottom you will seek to decrease. Dream outcome multiplied by the perceived likelihood of achievement, all divided by time delay multiplied by effort and sacrifice. In a nutshell, your offer will be more compelling if you can guarantee to your potential clients to reach their dream outcome, ideally 100% guaranteed, in the short amount of time possible, and ideally with a minimal effort or sacrifice. Have you ever wondered why pills for weight loss are still selling like crazy? Because you don't have to go to the gym to lose pounds. Just take the pill and you can eat everything you want. Obviously, it's false advertising, but people like the easy path to achieve big results without doing anything. It's totally crazy. But I'm pretty sure you have understood the concept behind a great offer. Step number 4. Create your funnel. Now you have your amazing offer. Especially if you sell digital products, services, coaching or mentoring sessions, I highly urge you not to develop the product or service, but your main focus is to test your offer without having your product ready. The key here is to pre-selling something. If people will buy your amazing offer, it's amazing. You can start creating your product or service. If they don't buy your offer, simply change the offer and the communication. With that said, you need a funnel. Let me define what a sales funnel is by sharing with you 2 different perspectives. First of all, I want to make an example. In today's economy, we are literally bombed with sales messages, anytime, anywhere. So when you only perceive that someone is selling something, you put yourself in a protected mode. You raise a barrier. Instead, when someone is sharing a message to help you fix a problem, as I'm doing right now, without asking to buy anything, you are more than willing to listen to this message. You have just entered a sort of sales funnel. I'm creating a profitable relationship with you by giving the best information for free in order to have your attention and trust. Then I can sell you something valuable. So the sales funnel is a marketing strategy that creates awareness and trust between you and your potential client. On the flip side, a sales funnel consists of 2 pillars. Number 1, a step-by-step series of communications that help your potential client choose you instead of the competition, trust in you and in your products and or services. And number 2, the second pillar is the infrastructure you put in place to share your message with your audience, even in a 100% automated way. For instance, landing pages, email marketing, marketing automation, SMS marketing, and so on. And keep in mind that you can even use a hybrid model in which you can unify an automated process with real-time customer care, for instance. If you want to see see a real example of a straightforward funnel that produces sales, I recommend watching this video tutorial. Real digital product sales funnel example that sells in 2022. I put the link to this video in the description below. Now, let's switch to the final step. Step number 5. Bring traffic. Getting website traffic means bringing targeted visitors to visit your funnel, precisely your squeeze page, to let your prospects enter your funnel and start building a profitable relationship with them. Website traffic is a broad topic that deserves the proper attention. And you have to know that most professionals and small business owners are concerned about getting traffic. The reality is that bringing visitors to your funnel is easy. Traffic is always available 24/7, 365 days per year. It all depends on your budget and or time. Indeed, free traffic doesn't exist. It's a myth, and here is why. We have two main resources that we can leverage to have more visitors to our funnels: time and money. But keep in mind that time equals money. So, nothing is free. If you are investing your time or other people's time to bring people to visit your funnel, you are investing money too. Now, since website traffic involves understanding paid ads and even other powerful strategies that don't require to invest money but your time, I highly recommend watching this video. 3 top strategies to promote a sales funnel in 2022. By watching this video, you will get the most valuable information about getting targeted visitors to your funnel in 2022. I put the link to this video in the description below. Before ending this video, I have 2 bonus tips for you. Bonus tip number 1. Repeat the last 3 steps by creating different products or services to help your clients overcome their struggles. Doing business with clients is the key to creating a multi-million-dollar company. Period. Bonus tip number 2. Your content authority matters. Especially in a competitive market as we are today, if you are willing to share your knowledge and experience for free, the benefits you get are astonishing. Social content allows you to create your authority, to be seen as the expert in your field of competency. People want to be guided by experts. So, become the expert your clients want to work with. In addition, acquiring a client is cheaper because you can target people that follow you. Consequently, the buying process is faster and cheaper. Now, what's next? In this video, I shared lots of precious information and linked other videos I published on my YouTube channel. I recommend you to start watching this video. 3-step strategy to create an effective brand positioning. It's crucial for your marketing campaign and to be seen by your audience, ideally as the unique and the best solution to have to fix their problems. So, watch this video now.